You like it? Yeah. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Nate Vlog here. This is what I did this morning. Check it out. We got so much Red Bull to take back home with me because you cannot find this in LA at all. So, yeah, there we go. This is what my mom wants, and that's what she's gonna get. So, anyways, shitty ass lighting. My turn. I need some energy. Red Bull. Cheers, everybody. Now we have some energy. Anyways, the plan is we're gonna go to her house, do some things, and then we're gonna head out. Adventure, because we're got last few days here in the Philippines, and then back to LA vlogs. I gotta take my pills, my pills, my pills. What are you doing? Again. So we're gonna first start this adventure out with getting money. Yes, it's time to go to the bank. Thank you everyone for supporting my groovy channel. Whoa, 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 whoa! Careful, cuidado, cuidado. Yeah, money. Alright, there's our grab. Abre la puerta, vamos a la casa. Ahora. Hola. Welcome to Pasig. So, yeah. What are we doing here? Of course, uploading the new vlog. Best of the best Wi-Fi. And I think we might eat something. Let's see. Alright. This is what we're making. Deutschland. Alright, what you want to do is slice it down the middle. Not too deep. And take that side here. Hold on, let's get these out of the way. Here, diagonal. This needs to be more sharpened. Oh wait, there's a coating on that. We kind of don't want to ruin that actually. So, I didn't... Wait, what the hell? Wait, is this plastic? Wait, what is this actually? Is it supposed to be like this? Wait, I'm for. Alright, well they're individually wrapped. No wonder that's not come through. There we go, now it's slicing. And you do this at the tips. And that's how you properly slice a hot dog. Well, in this case, it's a sausage. Well, let's get this one more time. Slice down. Like that. There you go. See that? Perfect. They're opening up. That's how you know it's being cooked really well.
Ako nga lang yan
Ayan ate ating madam. Baka po pwede maalis.
In the Philippines, they don't have buns apparently, so we have to use long bread.
Ako po yung rider na nakasagutan po ninyo. Hingi po ulit ako ng pasensya na po. Maging okay na po. Salamat.
Hindi mo, tapang mo yun.
Okay, here we are. So It's really noisy out there. I'm just trying to vlog this, but anyways, check it out. Filipino hot dog. I went to so many grocery stores, and why don't they carry buns? I don't understand. How do you guys eat sausages, hot dogs here in the Philippines? Like, I don't get it. You need a bun, right? That's the only way I eat it. So yeah, there we go. Found this long Japanese bread, so you gotta do what you gotta do out here. All right, here we go. There goes my shirt for sure. The bread is so sweet. It's from Japan. It's the only one I can find that's like long enough for these big, huge sausages for my mouth. Of course, the shirt's hungry. I just turned in my laundry too today. Alright, well, this is going in there. Yo, just got back to Makati. I think it's about to rain. Anyways, yeah, so let's go to Watson's real fast, pick up some more alloy face mask, because I think that's helping. I mean, look at this. I actually just scratched it and I'm bleeding all over. Look at my hands from wiping it out. So anyways, Watson's. Vamos a la tienda. Hmm. 36. They made the bed. Okay, just got back to the room. Let's go ahead and show you what I got. What's in my Watson sack? Of course, shitty lighting. Yep, it's brand new, right? So anyways, we got these ones. And more vitamins. Alright. So there we have it. God, I'm feeling so sick right now. I think it's the pill. Honestly, this one. Side effects to this, massive amount of side effects. God, let's just check just in case. Okay, 36.9, which is 98.4, so I'm completely fine. But my body sure doesn't feel fine. God. I think my throat, I'm getting a sore throat now. Before it was like itchy, right? I just had to clear. Now it's like, oh, pain right in here. Oh, like there's something there. Choking me. Well, let's go ahead and take the rest of the pills. So pull out our water. So we have our multivitamin, green tea, and loratadine. You already know that. God, this lighting. There. Is that a little bit better? Alright. Nice cold water to irritate my throat even more. Perfect, right? That's how we do it. Yeah. Okay, next what I'm gonna do is wash my face and put the brand new mask on, and let's rest for a bit and think. What are we gonna do? Should we go out or just stay in? Because we're running out of days here. Flight's coming up. And yeah. Back to saving up again, right? So anyways, I'll be right back. Washing face. There we go. So leave this on until it dries up. Hopefully this works. Face mask, skincare. Alright, hold on. Alright, well, there we go. Changed my shirt, of course, because it's stained. Hot dogs, sausages, yep, ketchup and mustard. So anyways, what should I do? Should I just chill here on the bed or go out and do something? Let's think about this, huh? So we're out now. This is... Chill. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Mi nombre es Julian.
Oh, ¿habla español? Poquito? Oh, bueno. Wow, okay, that's nice. I like that. So right now we're gonna take a walk on P. Burgos and check out all the hookers. What's there to see out here? Anything interesting? Okay. Nice walking. The filling station. Where's all the girls at? Here we go. Here's one. Here's one. Let's see. Where? Oh, here?
Yeah.
That looks good. Alright. Oh, look at that one. Alright. Doing another one. There we go. Nice job. Beautiful. Are you yeah. This is one of the best hotels I ever stayed at here. City Garden Grand Hotel. The Grand. Expensive. Es muy caro. Alright, here we are. Oh, you're gonna go that way? Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Yes. I don't know if you can see this, but she's putting these flowers together. And that's actually pretty amazing. Let me see. Does it pick up over here? I can't see. Yeah, shine your light. There you go. Look at that. That's incredible. How did you put these two together? Three. How did you put three together like that? Wow. Oh. Whoops, I ruined it. Whoops. Alright, welcome to BGC Market area. So we're gonna first start out here and then we're gonna do a lot of walking because we gotta get slim. Oh, look at that, hanging bananas. Hanging bananas, yeah. Actually these are bananas. What are these ones?
Is unripe. Unripe banana, this one is unripe.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Yeah. Fruit drinks. Here we are coming up to the little night market. Anything interesting around here? Let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, no thank you. What do we have here, huh? What is this? Yes, ma'am. Balls. Oh, look at all this. Chins.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to know if it's real.
Just it should be cold, but it's not.
If it's cold?
Yeah, cold. Any steel?
Yeah.
There should be no scratch over.
No scratch. Wow, so smart. What happened? You okay? See, that's what happens when you try to run away. You're running away?
No.
Be careful, cuidado. Oh no, everything's closed. I guess we're late. Okay, so we're on our way to BGC High Street. I was like, wait, where are we right now? Yeah, BGC High Street. So that was market back there. As you can see, it was just markets and stuff like that. Now we're headed to High Street. Walking around, good exercise. All right, there's some balls for you. Black ball. There you go. Random. Here we are. We're here. All right, here we are. Pretty crowded tonight. There's a rock with water coming out. All right. can't believe we just found them. That looks so good. Let's try it. What is this? Seattle's best coffee. Alright. There it is. This took a while. Oh, look, you have a little friend with you. Aww. That's cute. Just sleeping. Meow meow. Meow meow. Cheers. How is it?
Good.
Alright, let's give this a review. Tastes like ube milk, like a milk tea. That's pretty good. Pretty sweet. Wow, you look so good without glasses. So beautiful.
No. Gracias.
Here we are at the bottom. I know, I've been drinking it so much, so good. What's yours at?
What?
Halfway?
Yeah.
No, a little more than half. Wow, I'm already finished with mine. Damn. I guess I really love it. But anyways, at the bottom there's like chunks of ube. It's pretty good. The worst sound ever. As if it's finished. Oh god, so embarrassing. Everybody's staring at me. Well, I think that was a mistake for my throat because I can't stop coughing. Everybody's staring at me, embarrassing, terrible. Yeah, but then again, I'm out here vlogging and I'm getting a lot of stares doing that. So what's better, coughing or vlogging? The attention, right? Obviously vlogging, yeah. Nate vlog out here, creating the best content. Oh, there she is. When I first came here in the Philippines, like right after pandemic, there was like a whole bunch of plants selling right here. It was great, but they took it away. I don't know why. All right here. It's sad. That's when I started getting into plants. Now I love them. Alright, welcome to the food district. Still got your ube?
What?
Still got your ube? Still got it?
About what?
Are you bae?
Bad.
They got all these different stalls of different country foods. Korean, Japanese, katsu. Oh, katsu. I don't know what the hell that is. But yeah, all different stalls throughout. Japanese, gyoza. More Japanese, okay, that's pretty popular than Japan. Let's see, what is this one? Chinese noodle? Avocado, lao lao, burgers, cha time, Korean, potato. What is this? Oh, the hawker-chan. Everything's closed. We tried different places, but that's what they do. This means, I don't think so. You think you can eat here? We're closed. How sad, huh? Well, time to starve. Okay, so here's Dwarf Town. Oh, look at all the hanging balls. I like that. I need some balls. Pause. Neon Forbes Town. Now you know where we are. Dwarf Town.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's our grab. Oh, is he gonna make us walk over there? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's dropping someone off. Is this us? Yeah, it's us right there. Abre la puerta. Oh. Hello. Alright, we're back in Makati. Yes, we have returned. I can't leave this place ever, right? Anyways, so we're gonna go eat some food now. Let's get it. Vamos. Vamos a caminar.
Yeah.
Vamos a comida. Alright, trying to cross the street. Yeah, good luck on that. Now that's got to be good for my throat. It's good. Chinese herbal tea for my terrible bloody throat. That's good.
Honey walnut chicken, steamed rice, and stir-fried beef with broccoli.
Thank you.
Pleasure, sir. Order is complete, sir.
Sure is.
Enjoy your...
Let's dig in. Alright, so first things first is the rice. So let's scoop some rice out. Smack it there. Alright, get rid of that. Get some of this. There. There. Oh, oh, oh god. Oh god. I'm making a mess. That's normally what I do around here. Alright. Let's dig it in. Oh shit, chopsticks. No, thank you. I mean, I can use it. I'm just too lazy right now to do that. Let's try this beef or broccoli. You're lazy too? Yeah. I know, right? That's pretty good. Oof. That's nice. Oof. Honey walnut. Excellent. Can't forget about the broccoli. Let's stay healthy here. Alright. How are you? You like Chinese food? Yeah, it's good, right? Alright, well, there we go. Alright, there it is. Honey walnut, beef and broccoli, sticky one. Let's see what the damage is. 830. Alright. Well, that was that. What do you think? First time trying Chinese food. What do you think of it?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
What do you rate it out of 10 being the best? 10 being the best, obviously.
100.
100? Oh, she loved it. Alright, there you go. Turning people on to Chinese food. One of my favorite cuisines possible. So, yeah, anyways, the total is $14. So, alright. $7 each. Nice. So now, and I was having a massive coughing attack in there, which was so embarrassing. I was like, oh, let's get out of here. People are staring. But alright, what's next? Alright, so I think we're gonna go to Cheers Bar, but hopefully they have like tea or something, because beer, I can't do it. Did you say Nate Vlog? I think he said Nate Vlog. He and San Miguel Light. Alright, here we go. Cheers. That's good for my throat. That's good. Green tea, always green tea. The best of the best. All right, cheers. Shrug. Oh, you gonna throw up? No. Okay, good. Here it goes. Helmet's on. Bye bye. Bye bye. Adios. Chica. Get home safe. Adios. Thank you for coming. Yo, what's up, guys? Alright, so update is stomach problems. I gotta get to the bathroom. Oh my god. I was like, alright, let's just end the night. You know, you go home, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm gonna be there in the rest of the night. I'm sick. I'm not feeling well. Running out of money. What the hell is going on with me? Oh jeez. Oh, come on, let's go. Whew, toilet time. Okay, back to the room. Oh, yeah, I want to go in the bathroom for a while, if you know what I mean. Anyways, yeah, that's nasty. Okay, so we'll end off the night, and we'll see you tomorrow, all right? I think I'm going to take one more antibiotic tomorrow. Right now, actually, yeah, antibiotic right now. My throat, it's like a sore throat now, so we'll see how that does, okay? We'll see. Hit up my PayPal, hit up my Venmo, description down below. Thank you everyone for supporting my legendary Groovy Vibes YouTube channel. We'll see ya. Buenas noches, everybody. Whew. Wish me luck.